Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back. Your Tajweed Made Easy. Lesson number 16 we're on, okay? Noon, Saakin and Tanween. Page number 20, okay? Okay, let's go straight into this. Look at the examples below and look at what a Noon, Saakin and Tanween look like. The reason for this is that if certain letters come after a Noon, Saakin or Tanween, then there will be a rule taking place. For this lesson, you just need to identify both. So basically, this lesson is all about what is a Noon Saakin, what does it look like, and what is Tanween. Okay, the first box underneath that, the circle letters are known as Noon Saakin. Basically, it's a Noon with a Sukoon on it. So the first two look like a Noon. Okay, the second one obviously is joined to the Ta, and then them are the few states you'll see in. Okay, inshallah. Okay, the more complex side is the Tanween. Noon Saakin is quite easy. It's Noon with a Sukoon on it. Okay. Okay. What is Tanween? Fathatain, two Zabr, Kasratain, two Zir, and Dammatain, two Pesh are known as Tanween. So altogether we're looking at four different states. Noon Saakin is one state, two Zabr, Fathatain is the second state, two Zir, Kasratain is the third state, and two Pesh, the Dammatain is the fourth state, okay? Take a look at these examples and get used to the Noon Saakin and Tanween, okay? I've circled where the Noon Saakin and Tanween are at the moment, okay? So if I said to you in Minkum, where is the Noon Saakin? There you see, with a circle, that's what you'd say, okay? Now, the second example, Jannatin. Jannatin, the Noon Saakin and Tanween you're looking for. So, okay, what's in that one is a Tanween, okay? The next one, underneath it says it, Tanween Qawman. Okay, the two Zabr, Fathatain. So basically, going through all these examples, you're going to find a Noon Saakin or a Tanween. The reason why I'm making you identify these and just we've put aside a lesson just for identification of these is because you have to be very good at identifying these in the Quran, because after these, if certain letters come, you have to do certain things. Okay, inshallah. So the first thing is that you have to start to identify in the Quran where the Noon Saakin and Tanween are. What I'm going to do, inshallah, is I'm going to read through all the examples and tell you at the same time. Even though it's marked, it's circled, I just want to be clear on what's going on in this lesson, okay? Okay, Minkum, the Noon Saakin is marked there, okay? Jannatin, the Tanween is marked there under the Ta. Qawman, above the Meen is the Tanween. Nafsun, above the Seen is the Tanween. Remember, Tanween is what? It's either going to be a Fathatain, two Zabr, Kasratain, two Zir, or Dammatain, two Pesh, okay? Antum, that's the Noon Saakin. Shay'in, that's Tanween. Deenan, that's the Tanween on the Noon. Khayrun, that's the Tanween on the Ra. An, Tarfa'u, the Noon Saakin. Unzur, Noon Saakin again. Zaytunin, that's Tanween onto the Noon. Hawnan, Tanween again above the Noon. Shuhudun, that's Tanween above the Dal. Yansurkum, that's Noon Saakin. And Yawma Idin, that's Tanween under the Dal. Now basically what you have to remember, in the Quran, this is how to identify it. You know the N sound. The Noon Saakin and the Tanween have the same sound. Now listen carefully. Even though one has a Tanween and the other one has a Noon Saakin, they both have the N sound. So look, Minkum, Minkum, there's an N sound there. Even though that's a Noon Saakin. Nafsun, there's an N at the end. Nafsun, even though that's a Tanween, okay? It's not necessary to have a Noon there to have that sound, okay? So these four states, the Noon Saakin and the Tanween, them three states, they all make the N sound. An, in, or un sound, okay, inshallah? So what I'm wanting from you guys after this lesson is you can look into the Quran and you are able to pick out where there is a Noon Saakin and where there is a Tanween. Fathatain, two Zabr, Kasratain, two Zir, and Dammatain, two Pesh, which are known as Tanween, okay? I need you to get used to this terminology, Noon Saakin and Tanween. Noon Saakin and Tanween. So off you go now, and what I need you to do is find some examples in the Quran of Noon Saakin and of Tanween, of different Tanweens, okay? Not just you're finding two Zabr all the time, Fathatain, or two Zir all the time, Kasratain. I want you to mix and match it, okay, inshallah? And then inshallah after this, the next lesson, we're going to look at the rules concerning the letters that come after Noon, Saakin and Tanween. So when I say in the next lesson, if after Noon, Saakin and Tanween, this letter comes, this is what you have to do. You might be stuck on, oh, hold on a second, what is Noon, Saakin and Tanween? So that's why lesson 16 is telling you what is a Noon, Saakin or a Tanween, inshallah, okay? I hope that makes sense. Jazakumullah khairan for your time and patience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.